Good evening and welcome to Let's Travel Caribbean for this week. In Tourism Spotlight this week, we look at must-see destinations in the Caribbean. First up is the Dominican Republic. Punta Cana, the Dominican Republic's premier resort destination. This is the place to go if you are looking for luxury all-inclusive resorts, a couples retreat, or family-friendly accommodation combined with an unending list of water-based activities for entertainment. This is the place to visit in the Dominican Republic. Now, the Bavaro beach is Punta Cana's most impressive stretch of beach where you can wade into the water or walk for hours along the sand. Resorts line the beach and offer easy access to all the activities. This place is definitely a buzzing spot to visit in the Dominican Republic. Next on the list is Puerto Rico. Walking the streets of Old San Juan with its lovely colonial architecture and imposing forts is like stepping back into another era. This is one of the best places to visit in Puerto Rico, so make sure you allow some time on your itinerary for this city. More than 500 years old and the second oldest city in the Americas, Old San Juan is a mix of Spanish colonial history layered with present-day Puerto Rican life. The entire area is a UNESCO World Heritage Site with hundreds of restored 16th and 17th century Spanish colonial buildings. Today, you can dine, shop, or even stay in some of these beautiful old structures. And off we go to Jamaica. Now, encompassing 180 meters of gently terraced waterfalls, Dunn's River Falls is one of the top attractions to visit in Jamaica. These picturesque falls tumble over rocks and limestone ledges into the sea. You can climb the natural tiers to the top of the falls with the aid of a guide and cool off in the refreshing pools at the base. It's a good idea to wear water shoes and clothing that you don't mind getting wet. Also, try to plan your visit around the cruise ship crowds. This is one of the most famous waterfalls and it's a popular place to visit for tourists. Cuba Varadero is one of Cuba's most famous beach destinations and home to one of the best beaches in the Caribbean. It stretches along the peninsula de Icacos, which juts out into the sea off the north coast. A drawbridge connects it to the mainland. The powdery sands of the Varadero are as seductive as the soft lapping of the Kawama Channel waves. Famed gangster Al Capone used to frequent the shoreline resorts, and the city still maintains that glamorous luster that's been historically appealing to high rollers. Mansions turned museums are favorite destinations for curious Cuban history buffs, and nature lovers can embark upon a day of adventure exploring the area's caves, keys, and virgin resorts. More than 50 hotels line this popular palm-fringed strip, and its magnificent white sand beaches draw visitors from all around the world. And in the Bahamas, there's Atlantis Paradise Island. This is an ocean-themed resort on Paradise Island in the Bahamas. It is built around Aquaventure, a 62-hectare waterscape. Dominating the skyline on Paradise Island, this splashy salmon pink resort evocatively recreates the legend of Atlantis in a luxury hotel, entertainment complex, aquarium, and water park. It's one of the top resorts in the Bahamas. Guests at the hotel score free entry into the popular 141-acre Aquaventure. Spending a day at this whimsical waterscape is one of the most popular things to do in Paradise Island. Whiz down high-speed slides like the Leap of Faith, splash around in more than 20 swimming areas, or lie back and relax as you cruise along the lazy river ride. There is no shortage of adventures to embark upon in the Caribbean. That takes us to the end of Tourism Spotlight and Let's Travel Caribbean for this week. Join me again, same time, same place, next week for Let's Travel Caribbean. I'm Stacey Ann Delavante.